Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on Bereal without the person that you are screenshotting knowing. So you might find some really funny post, but you want to screenshot it and you don't want to let the person know that you have screenshotted it. It's like choose this one right here. So what you are going to do, swipe down and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on aeroplane mode. Once you do that, screenshot it like this. After that, if you are on iPhone, you have to delete BeReal. On Android, you can just clear all the data from BeReal. You want to either delete it or clear the data because it saves if you screenshotted it. So when you turn on your Wi-Fi, it will tell them that you screenshotted it. And after you do that, re-download BeReal. But before you go, because you think that is too hard, there is one thing that you don't want to do when you're screenshotting somebody's BeReal. You don't want to go into this mode right here and then try and screenshot it like that, because it will still tell them that you screenshotted it. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.